Mike, can I ask you something personal?
That sounds serious already. Okay, go ahead.
When was the last time you did something that made you nervous?
Nervous how? Like scared nervous or excited nervous?
Not terrified, just uncomfortable. Something new. Something where you weren't sure how it would go.
Honestly, a few weeks ago, I joined an online English speaking group. I almost didn't join the call.
Really? But you speak English every day on this podcast.
That's different. Here, I feel safe. But in that group, I didn't know anyone. I was afraid I'd say something stupid.
And did you?
Of course, I forgot a simple word. I paused for like 5 seconds. It felt like forever.
And what happened?
Nothing. People waited. Someone helped me. Then we continued talking.
So the disaster you imagined didn't happen.
No, it was all in my head.
That's interesting, isn't it? We create these big fears in our minds, but reality is often much kinder.
True, but it still feels scary before you do it.
Of course, being brave doesn't mean not feeling fear. It means moving forward with fear.
I like that. So let me ask you something. Why do you think people wait so long before starting something?
Because waiting feels safe. When you wait, nothing can go wrong.
But nothing can go right either.
Exactly.
So why do we choose safety over growth?
I think it's because growth requires risk, and risk means possible failure.
Do you think failure is really that bad?
Failure hurts, but regret hurts longer.
Wow, that's deep.
Think about it. Failing means you tried. Regret means you never gave yourself a chance.
That reminds me of something. A friend of mine wanted to start a YouTube channel. He planned everything, logo, intro music, ideas.
That sounds productive.
It was, but he never uploaded a video.
Why not?
He said he wasn't ready. He wanted better equipment, better English, more confidence.
And now?
2 years later, he's still preparing.
That's the waiting room.
Yeah, comfortable but empty.
Let me ask you something honest. Are you waiting for something right now?
Yes.
What is it?
I want to apply for a new job, but I keep thinking maybe next month, maybe when I improve my skills a little more.
Do you really need more skills or do you need more courage?
That's a dangerous question
Why?
because I think I know the answer.
Say it.
I need courage.
That's powerful. Acknowledging that is already a step forward.
What about you? Are you waiting for something?
Yes, I've been thinking about starting a small online course for English learners.
That's amazing. Why haven't you started?
I keep thinking it won't be good enough.
Perfectionism.
Exactly. I want it to be perfect before anyone sees it.
But nothing is perfect at the beginning.
I know that logically, but emotionally it's harder.
So what would happen if you started before you were ready?
I would probably make mistakes.
And then?
I would learn.
So mistakes are teachers?
The best teachers.
Then why are we so afraid of them?
Because we connect mistakes with judgment.
Judgment from who?
Other people, family, friends, strangers online.
Do you think people really judge us that much?
Sometimes yes, but often they're too busy thinking about themselves.
That's true. Everyone is worried about how they look.
Exactly. Most people are not analyzing your grammar. They're thinking about their own.
Well, that makes me feel better.
Good. Let me ask you this. If nobody could judge you, what would you start tomorrow?
Wow. Probably public speaking.
Really?
Yes, I'd love to speak on a stage one day.
So what's stopping you?
Fear of embarrassment.
Embarrassment lasts how long?
Maybe a few minutes.
And confidence lasts.
Potentially years.
So you're choosing 5 minutes of comfort over years of growth.
When you say it like that, it sounds silly.
It's human, not silly.
Do you think confidence comes first or action comes first?
Action always comes first.
Even if you feel completely unprepared?
Especially then.
Why especially then?
Because waiting for confidence is like waiting for rain in the desert. It might never come.
So confidence is built, not found.
Yes, built through small actions repeated over time.
What's the smallest action someone could take today?
If they're afraid to speak English, record themselves speaking for 2 minutes.
That's simple.
Simple doesn't mean easy.
True. My heart would still beat fast.
That's okay. A fast heartbeat means you care.
I like that perspective.
Let me ask you something else. Do you think staying in the waiting room feels comfortable?
At first, yes.
And later?
Later, it feels frustrating
Why?
because you see other people moving forward.
Comparison is dangerous.
But natural.
Yes, but instead of comparing results, compare actions.
What do you mean?
Ask yourself, did I take one small step today?
Not, am I as successful as them?
Exactly.
That changes everything.
Growth is personal. It's not a competition.
Do you regret anything you waited too long to start?
Yes, speaking confidently in public.
When did you start?
When I realized fear wasn't going away.
So you acted with fear.
Yes, and it was uncomfortable.
But worth it?
Completely.
What did it feel like after your first brave action?
Relief. Not because it was perfect, but because I stopped waiting.
That's powerful. The relief of movement.
Yes, even imperfect movement feels better than perfect stillness.
I'm writing that down.
Good. Let me ask one final question.
Okay.
What is one thing you will stop postponing this week?
I will send that job application.
Even if it's not perfect?
Even if it's not perfect.
That's brave.
And you? What will you do?
I will outline my online course and share the idea publicly.
That's scary.
Yes.
And you're doing it anyway?
Yes.
Then maybe that's the real lesson.
Which is?
The waiting room feels safe, but it's not where life happens.
Life happens outside the door.
And the door is not locked.
Never locked. Just waiting for you to open it.
So if someone is listening right now and feeling stuck, what would you say?
I'd say you don't need a perfect plan. You need one small step.
And if they're scared?
Take the steps scared.
And if they fail?
Learn and take another step.
That's momentum.
That's growth.
That's living. So maybe the real question isn't, am I ready?
It's, am I willing?
Willing to be uncomfortable.
Willing to be imperfect.
Willing to be seen.
Willing to begin.
Then maybe today is the day.
Not tomorrow.
Not next year.
Today.
Even if it's small.
Especially if it's small.
Because small steps become big changes.
And big changes begin with courage.
So, are you ready?
No.
Good.